Hi, my name is Rohini and I'm a current junior at Prospect High School. For my first independent modification, I decided to make the communication between the human finger movements using the glove and the 3D robotic hand wireless. And I will show you a quick demonstration right now. So, as you can see, the finger isn't in perfect condition. I still have to fix the tensioning. Unfortunately, I do not have the necessary materials, including the fishing line and the crimping tubes to do that at the moment. So last summer, where I had left off was I had a single Arduino, which both had the input for my flex sensors, which went into the digital outputs on the same Arduino, which corresponded to how my servos would rotate and at which angles. And although it worked, it was a lot of wires and it was very hard to move all this around, and it was just getting very confusing. So what I decided to do was I purchased my XBEEs. As you can see here, I have two. This one is my coordinator XBEE, so it sends signals, and this one is my en route XBEE, meaning that it receives signals and acts accordingly to whatever signals sent by my coordinator. And as you can see, now my hand and my gloved hand and the 3D robotic hand are two separate entities. They're not connected. I can move this further away and it'll still work the same instead of last time when everything was connected to each other. This modification challenged a lot of my programming skills because the first time I did it with one Arduino, it was very simple. Everything was on one Arduino, receiving and sending. However, this time with the wireless connection, there were a few intricacies that I had to work out, solve on my own by reading manuals, going on internet searches, things like that. I broke down my challenge step by step, and I started with smaller challenges and I built up my way, as you can see on my website. And finally, this is the end result, and my next step is trying to retension this so it functions as it was during summer.